your bowl, add milk, add eggs, and now it's everything together. Then add your grated cheese and plain flour with a little bit of salt, and whisk everything together one more time. Add your second half of your flour at the end. Add a little bit of dill and mix everything through. Lastly, add your melted warm butter. Make sure it's not hot, so melt it in advance. Mix everything together and your beautiful cheesy waffle mixture is done. You can separate the mixture between two bowls if you were making two flavors. I'm making them with cheese and bacon. First, I'm going to make them with cheese, so add 2 tablespoons of your waffle mixture inside your waffle maker and cook them until ready. Once they're ready, they should be nice and golden, just like that, and smells so cheesy in the house. It's absolutely delicious. Place your waffles on a plate. I like to serve it for brunch with egg and bacon. It just looks and tastes absolutely amazing. The combinations work so well. You've got soft, cheesy, savory waffle with egg and bacon. You can have them just with sour cream if you wanted to. It's completely up to you. Just have a look how soft that is. So cheesy on the sides. Now to make the bacon version, I'm gonna chop up the bacon. You want to fry it on a pan until it's nice and cooked. If you like it really, really crispy, you can do that as well. And then you want to add it into your cheesy mixture. You want to repeat the process and cook your waffles in the waffle maker until they're ready. And there you have it, beautiful cheese and bacon waffles that you can enjoy at any time of the day. I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.